So the famous Giacomo, he was running away from here, and he reached the other side. You remember what I told you when he was actually from the roof? It was so, it was also dangerous, of course, because in November, imagine, it was also cold, and he went away. But he went here on this staircase running away. This is the famous staircase made with gold. This is the gold staircase. Oro means gold. The golden staircase. Can you see the gold? 16th century painter that was called Battista Franco. And here we have also other artists working inside. We think examples where the famous Antonio Bondi, Scapanino, and Sassolino also working. You see that it's a big staircase. We wanted to represent the power of course, and representing a huge staircase. Look at the bigger important art that we have there. You see? Look how nice this one that is decorated also. The Old Palace, a famous painting made by King Jacopo. And you can see on the right side we have the Doge. This is what we did. This was the leader of Venice. It was called Gerolamo. It was organized in the 16th century. So all these images you can see around here now from this one, they were looking after the fire, after the 1577 fire. Because this was where these are the four rooms because there we had the entrance, you see ingresso. Now we are entering inside the gallery into this corridor. And there we had the ambassadors meeting the Doge. And I will show you how beautiful is that room. So prepare your cameras because that one is a must. Another must in the Doge class. This room is not so huge, it's not so big. And especially the fireplace. You know that in golden fireplace decorated in the 16th century. And two stages are there that they are sustaining the fireplaces with fireplace. They are made by the famous important Vincenzo Scamozzi. Scamozzi was an important artist that we have also here. Most of these artists also they came from outside, like the famous Sansovino. He was coming from Florence, for instance, and Venetian they also did. But also the famous painters that I was naming to you before. Tintoretto, he was Venetian. He was born here and he lived here and he died here.
Voi avete incontrato entro uno dei non mi sembra che ci sia normale ma allora mi parte giusto che ero come qui poi parla c'è chi si scopre che se non fai la cosa tu vai faccio stesso perché io non so allora ognuno rema per i propri interessi per i propri comodo e poi quando serve di avere quale percorsi io non ti conosco.
But here, the same. We had the facades that they resisted, and some of them were repaired, but inside, everything was like here. This ceiling, for instance, was renovated with the paintings inside, because we have also finishing services, so lost them. So it was a big disaster. And I will show you now the painting that is now in front of us. Is representing Jesus Christ. You know, look how beautiful Jesus there in the center. Made by Augusto. He was the time painter. He was the it's not easy to find a door. If not in this way, you can go with the specific. This was used only for discussion, not to talk with witnesses. If they knew that something was happening, the nice was faces. And here we had the people, you know, sitting down inside here. They were all teaching. Consider the age, the council of the 10. And here we had 10 people, you know, sitting there inside. And they are judges, the people here inside, especially discussing, I told you, not making a trial. And they listen to the witnesses, but they have to wait there in the waiting room, in the waiting chamber, until they release the inside. And look how beautiful is the decoration with the inside also, with paintings from the 16th century. This painting is also there in front of us. We have Charles V. This is representing the famous emperor when we had Martin Luther. I don't know if you remember Martin Luther was living in this city when we had this emperor, and also we had the Pope, Clemens VII. This was the feast of Bologna in 1529. This is in Bologna in the central part of Italy. And here we have also the paintings on our ceiling, and unfortunately we have this take back the artists that also we have here in Venice, they came here and these are the details because we had unfortunately fixed here this painting again, but it's from the 16th century. This was the masterpiece of Tintoretto. Tintoretto's painting The Father. So the father was painting this space. And also we had the son, Domenico. Domenico was continuing the opera of his father. And look at, this is the famous painting that look how beautiful it is. And also was continued by this was because he was a lover of the painters, of the Venetian painters, especially by Tintoretto. He loved this one. He had it in his house for a while. Look how beautiful that one was. This is the 18th century. The Gothic style we have there on the facade. And can you see a difference between the feet? We have the feet on the land and feet on the water. So this is the meaning, you know, that we have water territories, so they conquered Crete, Cyprus, and also land. So they conquered also in Lombardy, for instance. The structure with wood, and especially this one. You remember that I told you before that we had these faces. You remember the face? This was the face where I write other messages. Other messages, but they write here letters. They wrote, for instance, we had someone, but they are trying to attack Venice. They are trying to have a plotting attempt. And the inquisitor that was arriving from there, from this door, they took the letters and they carried inside in the other room. You remember also we had the other room. And here they had the witnesses. The witnesses, they had to stay here until they were received there inside to talk, you know, to discuss. And after they decide. That one is a galea. This is the typical boat that Venetians use. This man is on his hand, the galea. This was a huge boat. And they went also and they had prisoners. There were also some prisoners. The guard also asked the prisoners, do you want to fight for this? After you are going to be free for a period. And after sometimes they fight. At least they made this big ship. It was made in 2 weeks. 2 weeks they made a huge big ship. It was a 14 meters. It was so huge. And here we have the painting. That was a recent painting that we here. Now we have an exhibition of this painting. This Venetian. And it was representing a Senate. Remember this staircase. Now I want to show you also the room. Come with me, and I want to show you that we have also this fresco over there, but it's representing the basilica. You know, some basilica we saw before, some arches there. Can you see the damages of the fire? So the fire that I told you before in 1577 that you know, was really also part of the frescoes, of the old frescoes we had. This painting is from the 17th century, and it's representing the fire ruined, I told you, Doge Palazzo, you know, in Venice. And this survived why? Because it was on the wall, it was painted on the wall. And so we have something now. You can see Jesus Christ there, crowning Virgin Mary with the angels here. And then we have also the gospel writers. This is from the famous painter